Hello and welcome to Minterne Gardens in Dorset. I'm Mark Bobin, the head gardener here, and I would like to show you 3 plants that are out at the moment. We're in late winter at the moment and there's many signs of spring to delight us. So let's go and see these plants. So the first plant that I'd like to show you is this camellia. It's a species camellia named cuspedata. What I love about this plant is the single white flowers. They're really small single white flowers, but also the slender leaves that taper off right to the ends there. Now this particular specimen is a rather large one that we have at Minterne, and it's reaching up to about 15 feet in the air. So it obviously likes the climate that we have here at Minterne in our woodland garden. But as you can see, there's only a few flowers at the moment, but there's tons and tons of buds just waiting to come out. It's a native to Western China. Here we have Camellia cuspedata. So the next plant we're going to look at is this Rhododendron praevernum. Now Minterne has, for this particular plant, got an award of merit in 1954 for this flower, which has a white flower flushed with pink with a crimson blotch. We're just going to have a look at that, and you can see that the flowers are this gorgeous white colour, and you can see the pink on those freshly coming out buds there. Now this plant is about 30 feet tall at Minterne, and it's right in the heart of the garden, surrounded by some other gorgeous plants here. So it's very, very protected here. Now this praevernum or praevernums come from in China, in the Sichuan province. Pretty hardy here. We are a fairly cold garden at Minterne. We do get some frost, so a nice hardy plant to have. And this particular plant is a favourite of mine, as it comes out this time of year. So we're still into February, but I did want to get this recorded today because we're due a frost tomorrow, and I just wanted to show you how lovely these flowers can get, as the frost will probably touch them tomorrow. So this is Rhododendron praevernum. Now the next plant we have is another rhododendron, but this is a hybrid as opposed to the praevernum, which is a species. Now this one's called Rhododendron bibiani. It was bred at Exbury, and it's a cross between Moses maroon and arboreum. Now this plant inspires me every time it comes out. The rounded red truss, the dark foliage of the leaves, but on the underside, so we see, if I just show you here, the silver green indumentum on the underside. So it doesn't matter if you're looking at the plant from the front or underneath, it has some lovely interest. But those gorgeous dark red trusses, an absolute favourite. So I hope you've enjoyed the 3 plants that I've shown you here at Minterne. There will be many more video snippets coming from the Rhododendron, Camellia and Magnolia Group coming very soon, showing you all sorts of different plants, gardens, places, people. It's going to be fantastic. Catch them.